All right, Doozer shop here. I can't find the tripod, so I got you up sitting in my other toolbox. Anyhow, welcome back. Got a package. Thought I'd do an unboxing video. This is from Shars, okay? Now, at work, the guys in the tool room order stuff from Shars. Ooh, it's this way open. They order stuff from Shars. I like Shars. I know it's import tools. I'll tell you why I like them. Because I think they sort their stuff for quality, and it's not just run-of-the-mill, off-the-boat type stuff. It's actually pretty good. And I don't know how. And with their lathe tooling, they have the size of the carbide insert on the tool holder. They have the screw part number. They have, you know, if it's got a clamp, it's got the part number of the clamp. And it's reasonably priced. Reasonably priced. So I'll show you the one I got. I have struggled without a carbide insert parting blade for a long time. So that's one of the things I got. Let's see. All right. Oh, dial indicator. So, I don't know if I'm in shot here in frame. This is kind of the reason I ordered from Shars, and then I tacked on a whole bunch of stuff because, you know, that's what you do when he's paying for shipping once. All right, man. I'm trying to think. I don't know if I've seen Shars indicators before. Comes nicely packed. It's a 2-inch travel indicator, and I'll show you why. I made that travel indicator piece for my lathe. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is very, very awesome. Let me take you quick. Oh man, I'm pushing buttons on my camera. I don't know what they do by accident. Put that there. Oh yeah. Ooh, it's got a tattletale. I like the orange face. I like the orange face. Usually that means it's metric, but not always, right? So, we're on walkabout here. So, like I said, this is I made this, right? I made this for the lathe, and I wanted to get a proper, brand new 2-inch travel indicator, okay? Because the one that's on there sucks, right? It kind of, I know it's sticky. The glare is terrible. So that's kind of crappy. So I bought this one. I wish I could play with it a little more, but I'm running the camera at this second. That's going to be an awesome addition. This is 30 bucks, 20 bucks, and then $10 shipping. 30 bucks. I think the quality of them is very good. So anyhow, back to the box of joy. Well, okay, let's just, all right, now, at work, in the machine shop, my buddy Angel, he's got some of these needle files that are diamond coated, right? A lot of times, you got a deburr hardened stuff, and a regular file is not good enough, right? So, I ponied up for 2 sets, and These are 7 inches long. I think these are 5.5 inches long. I think the one pack was like 14 bucks and one was 16 bucks. I don't know. But, yeah, why would you need inspection certificates for diamond files? It's not like it's precision, whatever. So that's that. I've got some, I bought some files a while ago, and they're these type. They're like pad files. They're not actually, whatever. Oh, they snap together. So they got them, and these, I don't remember. There's 3 grades, coarse, medium, and fine, but they're like a toothbrush kind of style. 3M. Bonus points if you know what 3M stands for. I know you can look it up on the internet, so I'll just tell you. Minnesota Mining and Manufacturing. So yes, I got those. Doozer's workbench is just gob full of stuff because I'm always working on. So these are going to be a great addition to the diamond file. So this is all my diamond stuff right there. We'll put that in the pile, and I just have them stuffed in that cubby hole. Those are my transfer punches. That's what that cubby hole is for. So anyhow, awesome sauce. What's this? This is a this is the thing I can't open with one hand. This is the invoice. Ooh, a little straggler. All right, that's an important guy. We need to realize that's from there. That's good. Maybe it's a bonus. I don't know. All right, I'm sorry. World's worst cameraman. All right, showing the band stuff. Okay. All right. So what we got here? Oh, I know what this is. Yes. So I bought another mount, right? This is 3 Morse taper with a 3/8 16 drawbar, and then it's got 1 and a something thread for a boring head. So I had one of these. The SIP takes 3 Morse taper with a 3/8 drawbar. Usually it's a 1/2 inch 13 drawbar. But so I've got a Criterion head. That's the 7/8 fine thread, and I've got, no, they're both Criterions. I think one will take 3/4 and 1 inch bars. But I've got other heads, so I bought another one of these. This is 30 bucks. So I have another head. I'm going to make a back flange plate for and adapt to the SIP. So I got to cut internal threads and a plate, and I got a bolt on, like wall hoppers are bolt on, type boring head flanges, so for the shanks. So, all right, so that's cool. It was 30 bucks, but you know what? I can't make it for that. That's great. Oh, right? Man, I think I gotta go. There. All right. Anyhow, a red box. It's not like a stair box, but so this is the carbide cutoff tool. You know, all right. I'll just show you. This Doozer shop is amateur hour with the camera party. So here we go. These are the carbide inserts. Now this is the old style Iscar. Is that better? Maybe. I don't know. Who knows? Old style Iscar. Am I zoomed out? No. Oh, I'm fully out there. Okay. Ooh, grease paper. Right. All right. So this is the guy, and look how nice this Char stuff is. Yeah, it's full of grease oil. Is that the right one? Yeah, that's the right one. Yeah, the nugget style. So it shows you, that's the NCH192 whatever, that's in the size, that's the insert blade. That's the blade, and then, you know, it's just at the bottom what insert and what screw and what handle and what holder. So, I mean, this was $42. Right? I could just show you. All right. I don't know. I'm pretty excited. That's a 1/2 inch height of where you clamp it in, right? The T part, that's a half. It probably doesn't show up that well. So for a 1/2 inch tool block, they make 3/8, they make 5/8, they make 3/4. They make a 1 inch for a 1 inch tool block. That I'm gonna get one for the Colchester lathe. So that's kind of why I bought this thing, right? So these are half price on eBay. They're $45, and they're about half price. They're about $45 on eBay, and they're about $85 in their catalog. So bravo with the eBay store. So all right, this is gonna go and get mounted. I'm gonna mount it in the Sagami, right? All right. What is okay? Oh, crystal mighty. Let me put it down. All right. Now this I think was $40 or no, 35. I don't know. V-blocks! Yay, V-blocks. Doozer got V-blocks. 2 of them, a pair. Right? Boom. Bam. Whatever you want to say. I think Emerald Agassi says bam, and Titan, the CNC guy, says boom. Well, I didn't have any quite this big. And they're cast iron, and they're cheap. But they're ground little burr. You know, for the horizontal boring mill, they're going to be awesome, right? Oh yeah. All right, pardon all the stuff on the Giddings and Lewis mill table. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, well. That'll work out. And like I said, I might go, those holes are awful sharp. We get them out, cleaned out with a die grinder or something. Well, hard to know how, I mean, they're very, they got to be deburred with a file. But I didn't have any for setting up big shafts on the boring mill. Oh, this is the other one, right? So that's the small. I think that's 7/8, whatever. And the other one, man, I am ill prepared. Whatever, you guys get to see Doozer shop. Alright, so that's the one. Okay. This is the same one, right? That's identical, and it's screwed onto this, which is 1 inch. This is a Criterion head, I believe, number 3. What I did is I ground the surface grinder. I think I ground those. Did I grind them? Yeah. I ground some flats on it for a wrench, right? So I'll probably do that to this one. MT3, 1.5 18 thread, but the drawbar is 3/8, right? Well, I mean, yeah, that's the drawbar, and I got the ER adapter in there now. About this is a ball bearing cap. Bought that on eBay for 20 bucks. The old one is just, you know, the regular cap. So that's that. All right, I'm gonna leave that here. With that, in the cabinet of tooling, I'm gonna adapt another one, so I'll have to cut 1.5 inch 18 thread. Awesome. All right, well, that's kind of it. Oh yeah, here's that nut that I bought. ER40 bearing nut, right? It's, whatever. So there you go. V-block size, B6, 6 inch, made in China, Shars. All right, so that's fun. I'm gonna play with this stuff and you know, get it mounted. So hope you enjoyed this evening's box opening party. Until next time, this is Doozer Shop.